It was the evening on Sodor. It was almost getting dark like this. And then dark. So Henry had to take the flying kipper. Thomas said, "You're too big with your buffers to take the flying kipper." But Henry ignored her, so he got away into the darkness. So she thought he was the most not scared angel, but he was a little scared. So he went back, and then he didn't see where he was going. So, Thomas was fast asleep, and Henry was waiting for the signal to be green. And then fog came, and a little bit of wind came, crazing over Henry. Henry was a little scared, but he knew Thomas was wrong. So he was waiting and waiting for an engine to help him. So Henry was waiting that the signal was still green.